Yeah. How he
The patient?
Oh, the patient. How he feels himself with regards to what he feels.
Oh yeah, yeah.
Oh, yeah.
Give it. Salamat po. Give it.
Yeah, problem is, Dok, ganito ang sitwasyon eh. Hindi ba ako ganun yung katulad na inaakala nila eh. I know that I can overcome this. If I will do some exercise, that will, yung katulad, that yung heart ko.
I don't know.
If I will do some bench pressing,
No. Huwag doon sa point na yun. Huwag doon sa point na mag-maintain ka ng karamdaman mo.
why don't you listen?
Right.
Why don't you?
What I try to talk about.
Who have talked about? Oh yeah.
Pare-pare silang tama.
Just talk. Why not give me just to talk?
Consider.
Now.
You gotta consider.
Okay. So I did it my way.
Papa, ano yung survey?
Nag-exercise.
What the hell?
Hindi. Hard ako.
What the hell?
Hell naman. What the hell? What?
What the hell? You gotta be kidding me.
Of course not.
Mahinto na siya. So with that, yung ginagawa, maabito mo yung ano ko. And I believe it's true. Dahil ako nakakatawa ko nakakaroon eh.
Yes.
Ako nakakaroon eh.
Yeah.
Lahat ang sinasabi ko, na wala akong ginagawa sa aking sarili na para ma-overcome ko yung mga sinasabi ko. Eh, lagot ako. So, asa na lang sa sinasabi nyo na ganito ka, hindi ka nagdapos. Eh, believe mo na, I can do it.
Correct.
Nakakabuhay.
Wow.
Ninja! Give me the floor.
You just listen. You just listen.
Okay.
That is the only thing that you can.
Saka naman ang listen.
I give you the time. I listen. Now, I have to go. Yung ginagawa ko na benta ganun. 60 pounds.
CNN.
No! Why is that? Why have such an outfit?
Serious.
I'm doing it for 4 or 6 sets.
At least meron silang background.
Pinanuwasan na, Tek. Okay lang. Pinanuwasan ko lang. Okay lang.
Nakakabuti. Sa mga pa, naramdam ko sa aking sarili.
Oh my God.
Mabuti ang pagkasunod ko sa
Okay.
pagkasunod.
Ilan taon na pa?
Me? I'm always 71.
No, okay lang. Okay. Wait. Hey.
Are you not happy for your father that your father can...
Oh, yeah.
Yes.
Oh yes, thank you for that.
Eh, bardeado ka sa 77.
Oh yeah nga.
Ako 91. Excuse me, 91.
But I'm still toward that way.
Ikaw ko nga, nangungumbida eh.
Bakit anong pag-uusapan ko sasaluhin na natin gano'n?
Nangungumbida
Sa ngayon, anong pag dapat natin pa itanin? Are you not happy that your papa is
Kailan
here?
mo akit sinasabi?
Diba?
We are.
Very happy.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah.
Bakit?
Alala?
Alala ka na ba? That much. Oh, you really have run.
You know what?
Run, Papa. Run.
You know what? Remember this. Take this from me. Take this. I want Ronald to take me a video.
Recorded.
Indeed.
I can lift up to 100 pounds. Remember that?
100 pounds!
100 pounds!
Ilan pounds ka ba ngayon?
Eh,
Ako nga 110 eh. Ano ba? 100 pounds?
Ilang
Ano
ba?
ba 100 pounds binubuhat mo?
Ay, nakaya.
Binubuhat eh.
In a matter of...
Yung litrato. Litrato ni mama yun eh. Kahanahanan eh.
You like, whether you believe it or not,
Litrato ni mama tayo yun.
in 1 month time, I will prove to you that I can fix one more. Ano ba sa ngayon? I'm already within 60 pounds. I started...
Ang pagbubuhat.
Ay, alam mo, bago kayo magsalita, I am a formerly bodybuilder.
Yeah, give me yun.
Put
contest.
At ako'y naging instructor sa bodybuilding.
Show it, show it, show it. You show it.
Yeah! There you go. Good dad.
Alright.
Sibon? Sibon, di ba? Sibon? Yan, ginawa niya spinal. Spinal. Spinal, may tama ka sibon.
Tama. Now, what?
Tama ka sibon. Bata tayo na.
What is your issue now?
Eh, pinagmamalaki mo. Bodybuilding.
So what? What against the bone?
Yung mga kapisina ko ngayon right now.
Oh, yeah.
Nasaan Richard?
Kumain na daw.
No,
Saan?
Shopping yata ni Yaya ng
that is bone.
Not
Sophie?
only bone, marami.
I mean, yeah, but not your
Wanna sell for smooth?
Your
You're just so happy.
No. Your papa, you should be proud of your papa because he is now 71. And he still can live. And I promise you, in 1 month time, I can prove to you, in your presence, I can live 200.
Amen!
No? Are you not happy with that? Are you not happy with that? Oh,
Who are these people? I don't know these people. Sino kilala ko rito? Jerry Boy. Ito, kamag-anak ko to. Pamangkin ko. Who else is here? Alright.